What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Speedy Dominican back at it again with another video. I hope you guys are having a great day today. So today's video, I know I've been gone for, first of all, let's start with this. I know I've been gone for a minute, but a lot of life changes have happened. A lot of different things. I moved to a new state, met a lot of new people. It's been crazy. It's been really crazy. So, oh, my bad. Anyways, it's been crazy, but we're finally in. We're settled down. We're all good to go. Today's video, first of all, huge shout out to LASFIT once again. We got some lights for the neon. They sent me out some headlights, some reverse lights, and some interior dome lights. So we're gonna install these and we're gonna see how they compare to my little $15 eBay headlights I have in there, the $15 LED headlights I have in there, compared to the OEM reverse lights and the OEM dome light. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So we're finally gonna get into the unboxing. First of all, very nice package. I love it I love it a lot actually. Great design, tells you exactly where it's from. We're gonna block that out, but let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first up, we got the LED lighting. I'm pretty sure these are the reverse lights. Got the reverse lights. Let's see. Okay, we got the interior dome lights. And then we have the actual headlights. So before we get into anything, now that it's nighttime, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys what the headlights look like inside and out, what the reverse looks like inside and out, and then what the interior dome light looks like from the inside. And then tomorrow during the day, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace everything. Once we replace everything, then at night, I'll do another clip and show you guys how bright it looks during night and show you guys the before and after at the end of the video. So definitely stay tuned. Like I said, this is gonna be a great video. Once again, shout out to LASFIT. I appreciate you guys so much for providing me with these items to test out and try for them and review for them. I really appreciate it. I still have the Civic, obviously. The Civic doesn't have anything new as of right now, but we will be making more content on it soon. Like I said, since I moved to Texas, I know a few people out here that have 10th Gen SI, so we're gonna meet up with them one of these days and just take a look at their cars, see what they have done to it, maybe get some runs in, you know, and go from there. Hopefully, we're gonna get a video about the car getting tuned, etc., etc. So I promise, there's so much new content on the way. I promise I'm gonna start making it, dropping it out for you guys. So just stay tuned, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're in the neon. I know it's dark. I just wanted to show you guys, give you guys a little comparison of the before and after. So these are the $15 eBay lights. Don't get me wrong, they look great here, but when you're on the road, they don't light up anything. Now for the interior lights, got the little halogen light. Nothing crazy. Don't mind the power steering fluid. But as you can see, I gotta fix this too. Don't mind that. The part fell somewhere. Honestly, I might just go to a pull apart and see if I can find this for cheap. So that's gonna get fixed, I promise. But yeah, not bad, right? Decent lighting. Now I'm gonna show you guys. So to pop this out, get a small little flathead to pop the lens out. You're gonna pop the lens, pop it right in there. Boop. Cover comes out. I guess it doesn't come out. Let's take a look at this. Okay, I guess it doesn't come out. That's fine. So all we're gonna do is just pull the bulb out. Make sure it's not hot. Okay. Just gonna no struggle like me. Get that bulb out. And they're pretty much the same, but just so you can see the difference. A lot smaller, a lot more compact. See if I can open this with one hand. Or at least get one out. Oh, there we go. I'm him. Wait, there we go. All right. So it comes with a spare one. This one only has one interior dome light, so that's all we need. So let me switch hands. And then you're just going to slide it in like so. And then we're gonna put the cover on. that. And let's see the difference. Wow, hold on. I am truly speechless. Look at this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Wow. So just so you guys know, almost all my bulbs in the Civic are LASFIT. The interior bulbs, what other bulbs don't have that are LASFIT? My fog lights, you guys definitely know about the fog lights are LASFIT. We got turn signals coming soon. We're gonna have brake lights, you know, just turn signals. All the lights on the Civic are gonna be LASFIT except the headlights because they're the Morimoto XB headlights assembly itself. But just look how much of a difference and how better it looks with these lights in. It looks so much better. It's so much brighter. It's crazy. The product speaks for itself. Just so you guys can see from the outside. That's crazy. So we are gonna get the windows tinted on this one a little darker. Actually, not even a little, a lot darker. Pretty much the same as the Civic. We'll probably do 5 all around. And instead of doing 20 on the windshield like I did on the Civic, I might do 35 because it's a lot lighter, easier to see. And yeah, so bow. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like during the daytime. You guys can take a look. First of all, we're definitely gonna put a sticker on the car. And second of all, so it's gonna be right here on top. The passenger side is easier than the driver's side. The driver's side is gonna be a little pain in the butt, but you just twist, pull. $15. Ooh, hold on. All right, there we go. So $15 eBay specials versus very nice, very good quality lights. It feels a lot better. This just feels cheap and fake. This one actually feels very well put together, good quality. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in. So it's not even in all the way yet, but you can already see the difference in the bulbs. So to make these fit, you just pull this little ring off, grab this ring, and then this ring is gonna go, this is going to go in like this. And then while that's in, you're gonna put this ring back on here, like so. Just like that. And then just adjust it like that. Then this whole piece right here clips in and twists and it holds it in place. As of right now, everything's in, so we're gonna put everything back together. It's finally nighttime. We're back in the neon. I'm about to show you guys the difference between the LASFIT bulbs and the regular bulbs. So let's go ahead and turn these on. Dang! That's crazy. That's insane. That's insane. I'm gonna put a before and after clip right here. Show you guys the old the old lights versus these, cause that's crazy. And it actually has brights. Okay. All right, now let's check out the reverse lights. Let's see. All right, so the reverse lights are super simple. So you're gonna pull this out. There's gonna be this top clip right there. Just gonna grab it. You're gonna twist it. And Yahtzee. Just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the bulb out and show you guys a new bulb in. Just to show you guys the difference. Old bulbs. New bulbs. Crazy difference. I'm gonna show you guys at nighttime so you can tell the difference, but that's insane. Put it in reverse. First of all, ooh, ding. Guys, that's such a crazy difference. Sheesh. I need to get some for the Civic. Wow. Honestly, I think I might have to adjust the bulbs because they look like they might be pointed down. Oh, we just running red lights. Oh, we just going straight through red lights. Okay. Crazy, man. Anyways. So I think I need to adjust them because they're pointed kind of down. As you can see, they're like, it just like right here. So I might have to turn the bulb so that the lights are actually on the outsides so it'll really shine, because right now it might be up and down is what I'm thinking. But yeah, no, honestly, like I said, I really think the reverse lights are better than the headlights. Those reverse lights are bright. But anyways, so whenever I get to where I'm going, we'll check it out. We'll twist one of them around, see if it fixes anything, helps it anyway. If not, we'll just leave it how it is, and we'll go ahead and end the video here. But let's get to what we're going first. So I adjusted the light. I think that is what it was. The passenger side, since it was easiest, it does look a little better, like it's lighting up a little higher, aiming a little higher. I still got to do the driver's side, but I got to do that one when I get home, because I got to take the airbox out of the way and pull the little piping off. So I'll fix that one when I get home. But pretty much for this video, that's all there is for this video. Just wanted to show you guys the lights that LASFIT sent me out for the neon. What else? Let's see. Oh, something else. There's a lot of things coming to the neon very soon. So please stay tuned to the channel. I promise better content is coming out. I know it hasn't been the best, but I promise better content is coming out. So just bear with me. Now that I'm getting all settled in, car meets, runs, all types of crazy things, mods, customizations, everything, just stay tuned, keep watching. So remember, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys want to see next, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.